Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. In today's guide video, I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok account on your device. Now before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to update your TikTok application to the latest version. Now without any further delay, let us get started. Firstly, tap on the TikTok application. Now as you open your TikTok application, the interface kind of look like this. Now on this following page, right at the bottom in the lower right corner, there you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. Now on the other page, you have the profile information. Now right on top in the upper right corner, there you can see 3 dash icon or the try bar icon. Tap on it. Now as soon as you tap on it, down there you can see a pop-up window, and right at the bottom there you can see settings and privacy. Tap on it. So on the other page you have the detail about settings and privacy. Now under it you can see list of different options, and right on top there you can see manage account. Tap on it. So on the other page you have the account information, and right at the bottom you can see delete account. Tap on it. So as you're deleting your account, so on the other page you have to give a reason why you're deleting your TikTok application. So here you have a list of different options, so you can tap on any one of these following options. Now once you're done selecting your reason, tap on continue, which is right at the bottom. So on the other page you have terms and policy, so make sure to go through it all and then tap on the icon which is right at the bottom in the left hand side corner. Now once you're done, tap on continue, which is right at the bottom. So on the other page you have the confirmation, and on this following page it says that your account will be deactivated for 30 days, and after 30 days your account will be deleted permanently. Now in the meantime, in case if you change your mind, you can still log in within 30 days, but after that your account will be deleted permanently. Now once you go through the statement, tap on continue, which is right at the bottom. So next what you have to do is you have to enter the 6-digit code that will be sent through your SMS or your email address. So make sure to enter the verification within the time period, which is right at the bottom, and then tap on delete account, which is right at the bottom. Now once again there is a confirmation, so in case you have made up your mind, so tap on delete. As you can see that the account has been deleted, and this is how you can delete your TikTok account on your device. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.